What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I loose lace or just lace my Jordan 11s. First, let me introduce the shoe. This is the Jordan 11 Gamma 2025. Very clean shoe, very nice shoe. Very hard to obtain. Hopefully you guys got them on release day. If not, you're going to have to pay that resale. So basically how I lace my 11s is the same way I lace my Air Max 95s. I have a video on that if you want to check it out. Basically what we're going to do is normally when you lace a shoe you work from down here all the way up. Well, we're going to work in reverse and go down and then come back up. And it's pretty easy, just take your time, have patience. So we're going to start with these two loops first. And we're going to lace one side straight through the hoop. Just pull it out a little bit. Take the other side, same thing, pull out a little bit, grab your two ends, and you're going to pull them together so they're even. And just make sure your laces aren't twisted up. And both ends should be the same length. Mine are a little off, so let me just adjust it. There we go. Okay, now we're good. So now you're basically going to lace in reverse like you would a normal shoe. So you're going to go through this hoop. And down. Keep them kind of loose. Go to the opposite side. Like that, and work to the opposite side. You can kind of loose. Now some of you guys might be saying, why would you lace them like that? This is just the way I prefer it. There's no right or wrong way to lace shoes. It's your preference. Whatever you like, you do. This is just something that I do. And I'll explain the reason why. So you're going to go down. Last hoop. Your laces should be the same length. Stretch them out if you want. So here's probably the hardest part, is going through here in the bottom one. You're going to take this lace and run it back up on the outside of the lace that's already in. You're going to push it through. Might give you a little hard time, but it'll go through. Just going to pull it up. And you're going to take your other one, do the same thing on the outside. You're going to pull it up. So you're going to end up with something like this. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to run these laces all the way back up to the top. And I'll show you here on the side view. Might give you a little bit of a problem, but it'll go through. The hole is big enough. And do one loop at a time. Don't try to run it all up in one shot. Gets a little harder as you go higher, but it'll go through. buckle. Okay. Then you run it to the very top hole. And bring it down. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Just going to run it up. You want to go under the lace that's already there. Close up. And go right under there, okay? At the very top loop, we're going to run it through and bend it down. And you can adjust them, you can loosen them up more if you want, but this is what you end up with. Clean look in my opinion. And the main reason why I lace my 11s and my Air Maxes like this is because I tend to walk on my toes. So when I walk, I push the tongue out, and what happens is the laces come out, and it's annoying. And you can use lace locks if you want. If you don't have them, this is a better alternative. It's a cleaner look, and your laces will not come out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I would like to bring you a lot more content on sneakers. And until the next video, peace.